doing well. In our previous video, we have done subtraction with borrowing, and today we are going to start story sums of subtraction. So let us start with our question number 1. So let's read the statement. Lisa's grandfather is 61 years old. Her aunt is 28 years younger than him. How old is her aunt? So इसमें हमें बेटा क्या गिवन है? लीसा के ग्रैंडफादर की एज है 61 इयर्स और उनकी जो आंट है वो 28 इयर्स यंगर. यंगर मीन्स छोटी. लीसा की आंट लीसा के ग्रैंडफादर से 28 इयर्स छोटी है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एज ऑफ लीजा's aunt. So how we will find it? See, age of Lisa's grandfather is equal to 61 years. Okay. So age of her aunt will be, she is 28 years younger than her grandfather. So how we will find it? We will subtract 28 from 61 to find the age of her aunt. So let us do it. Now this is 61 minus 28. Again we will start from ones place digit. Now see, we cannot subtract 8 from 1. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 10 from 6 tens. So it will become, yes, very nice. It will become 11 and 6 will reduce to 5. Very good. Now what is 11 minus 8? Yes, it is 3. And what is 5 minus 2? Yes, it is 3. So our answer is 33 years. So what is the age of Lisa's aunt? It is 33 years. Clear? Okay. So let's do one more question. A poultry farm sold 5,392 eggs in a week. It sold 1,587 less eggs the next week. How many eggs did it sell the second week? Let us try to understand this statement. एक poultry farm है and number of eggs sold in the first week is 5,392 and next week बच्चे उन्होंने 1,587 less. Less is the keyword here. Less means कम. First week से 1,587 eggs less उन्होंने सोल्ड किए हैं सेकेंड वीक में. तो हमें फाइंड क्या करना है? हाउ मेनी एग्स डिड इट सेल द सेकेंड वीक? सेकेंड वीक में कितने एग्स सोल्ड हुए? सो देखो बेटा, नंबर ऑफ एग्स सोल्ड इन फर्स्ट वीक. फर्स्ट वीक में हमारे कितने एग्स सोल्ड हुए थे? 5,392. एंड नंबर ऑफ एग्स सोल्ड इन द सेकेंड वीक में कितने हो जाएंगे? दिस माइनस दिस. We will subtract 1,587 from 5,392. Okay, 5,392 minus 1,587. So let's do it. Now again we will start from ones place digit. Now 2 minus 7. Is it possible? So what we will do? We will borrow 110 from 9 tens. So it will become 12 and 9 will reduce to, yes, it will reduce to 8. Now what is 12 minus 7? Yes, it is 5. Then we will subtract tens place digit. What is 8 minus 8? Yes, it is 0. Now see hundreds place digit. It is 3 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract 5 from 3? No, it is not possible. So again we will borrow 1 from 5,000. So it will become 13 and 5 will reduce to 4. Very good. Now what is 13 minus 5? Yes, it is 8. And what is 4 minus 1? It is 3. So our answer is 3,805 eggs. So number of eggs sold in the second week is 3,805. So let's do next question. Super Express has 624 seats. 128 seats are in AC coaches. How many seats are there in non-AC coaches. So let's understand the statement. बेटा सुपर एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन है, उसमें टोटल सीट्स है 624 और नंबर ऑफ सीट्स इन एसी कोचेस है हमारे पास 128 and we have to find number of seats in non-AC coaches. So let's do the solution. So total seats are 624. Number of seats in AC coaches are 128. So how we will find number of seats in non-AC coaches? We will subtract 128 from 624. Total में से हम minus कर देंगे seats in AC coaches. Then we will get number of seats in non-AC coaches. So let's do it. We will again start from ones place digit. So 4 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract 8 from 4? No. We will borrow 110 from 2 and it will become 14 and 2 will reduce to 1. Now what is 14 minus 8? Yes, 14 minus 8 is 6. Now see, tens place digit, it is 1 minus 2. Is it possible to subtract 2 from 1? No, again it is not possible. So what we will do? Again we will borrow 100 from 600. It will become 11 and 6 will reduce to 5. Very good. Now what is 11 minus 2? Yes, it is 9. And what is 5 minus 1? Yes, it is 4. So our answer is 496 seats. So I hope all these questions are clear to you. So do more questions for practice. Okay, thank you.